You know, they say the best things in life are free. But have you ever tried hitchhiking across the globe? It's an adventure like no other, a journey molded by the unpredictable nature of the road, where the beauty that surrounds you is not determined by the price of a ticket. The panoramic view of the azure skies kissing the grandeur of the mountains is worth more than any penthouse suite. The emerald green forests that sit like a painting frozen in time are beyond value. Exhilarating rush of the wind against your face as you zip from city to city is not something that money can buy. Of course, the price you pay is the blisters on your feet and the aching back. But the sights you see, the people you meet, they're priceless. Now, some people think budget travel is like a sandwich without the filling. You're there, but you're not really enjoying it. But that's where they're wrong. Welcome to a guide on how to see the wonders of the world without breaking the bank. We know the thought of traveling the world and experiencing all it has to offer seems like a costly dream. But what if we told you it's not? It's possible to embark on the journey of a lifetime while maintaining a strict budget. How, you ask? Well, that's what we're here to explain. Join us as we guide you through various tips, tricks, and hacks that will transform your travel game. From finding the cheapest flights to choosing affordable living options, we'll provide you with all the insider knowledge you need. We'll show you how to pack efficiently, navigate local transportation, and eat like a local on a budget. Yes, it's not just about the sights, but also about immersing yourself in the culture, tasting the culinary delights, and creating unforgettable memories. On top of that, we'll also discuss managing your travel finances, using travel rewards, and how to avoid common tourist traps that could drain your resources. We'll delve into how being flexible with your travel dates and destinations can help you save significantly. You'll learn about hidden gems off the beaten path that are just as breathtaking but less expensive. This guide is not just a tool, but a passport to a world of experiences, a world that you can explore without emptying your savings. So buckle up, prepare to take notes, and let's start the journey towards affordable globetrotting. Welcome to a guide on how to see the wonders of the world without breaking the bank. First step, planning. Yes, spontaneity has a certain thrill to it, a certain allure that makes life exciting. But let's face it, when you're on a budget, when every dollar counts, planning becomes your best ally, your reliable confidant. It's the key that ensures you don't break the bank whilst pursuing your travel dreams. It's wise to invest time in researching the most affordable times to visit your cherished destination. Look for off-peak seasons, those hidden gems in the calendar when the holiday rush has died down. During these times, you'll discover that accommodation costs are significantly lower and airfare prices have plunged. Off-peak seasons often offer much cheaper accommodation and flight prices. Second step, be flexible with travel arrangements. Consider the possibility of embracing a more rounded travel experience. You can definitely save significant amounts if you are open to having a few layovers, which can become an opportunity to explore a new city, even if it's just the airport. Always remember that indirect flights can be a fantastic method for saving a substantial amount of money. Moreover, optional modes of transportation like trains, buses, or even carpooling are not only cost-effective, but can also provide a diverse travel experience. Trains and buses add a scenic charm to the journey, while carpooling helps to reduce your carbon footprint. It can be an enriching experience to see landscapes change as you move from one place to another. Be open to these alternatives, and you might find they not only save you money, but also add an unexpected dimension to your travel experience. Sometimes, the slower the journey, the cheaper the fare. Third step, accommodation. This part of the journey planning is crucial and flexible in nature. Have you ever thought about trying something different, like staying in hostels, quaint guest houses, or immersing yourself in nature by camping? Maybe you are a backpacker looking for a cost-effective way to see the world, or a family taking a road trip and in need of a spot to rest. This diverse range of options can cater to every type of traveler. Among these, you can also explore websites like Couchsurfing. This platform helps you connect with locals who are more than happy to offer you a couch, free of charge for the night. It's like having a home away from home, and it's a great way to experience local culture and hospitality. So rethink your accommodation choices. Step out of your comfort zone and you might surprise yourself with a new adventure. Remember, you don't need a 5-star hotel to have a 5-star experience. Fourth step, food. Deviate from the norm of dining in touristy restaurants and instead gravitate towards local markets and street food. This approach is not just about trying new and exciting food selections, but it's also about embracing the local culture, deeply immersing yourself in the vibrant atmosphere that these places offer. When one thinks about it, these food markets and street food stalls are the lifeblood of the city, showcasing the rich culinary heritage of the place. They're often packed with locals, which is a telltale sign of the quality and authenticity of the food they serve. You will find an array of delectable dishes that you won't normally encounter in a typical restaurant. The food is prepared right in front of you, making the entire experience even more enthralling. Additionally, street food is often quite cost-effective, a great bonus. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also a fantastic way to experience the culture. Fifth step, sightseeing. This step is an opportunity for you to immerse yourself in the rich cultural experiences offered by your destination. Cities across the globe, each with their unique blend of history and modernity, frequently host a variety of free walking tours. These tours, organized by passionate and knowledgeable local guides, serve as a fantastic way to uncover the hidden gems of the city, its vibrant neighborhoods, and significant historical landmarks. Museums, too, are a trove of knowledge and insights into the city's past, its art, and culture. Being an intellectual's paradise, they often host free entry days. This could be weekly, monthly, or on specific public holidays. It's essential that you invest time in thorough research ahead of your visit. Look for these free entry days, make a note of them, and plan your visit accordingly. Also, check for other cost-effective opportunities like discounted entry fees on certain days or times. This not only makes your tour economical, but also enriches it with a wealth of knowledge and a closer look at local life. So, do your research and take advantage of these opportunities. Sixth step, travel light. In our world of travel, it's absolutely crucial to adhere to this principle. Each trip we take presents us with an opportunity to practice the art of minimalism. What I mean by this is that we often burden ourselves with unnecessary items. We pack our suitcases with too many clothes, shoes we might never wear, and gadgets we barely use. This habit not only adds extra weight to our luggage, but it also leads to the accumulation of hefty, excess baggage fees. These fees can quickly add up, relentlessly eating into our precious travel budget. So let's be mindful of what we pack. Think about the essentials, the items you absolutely cannot do without. These are the things that, when lost or forgotten, could potentially disrupt your journey. By focusing on these essentials, we can save ourselves a lot of hassle and financial strain. But remember, travel isn't about perfection. Even if you forget something or leave something behind, don't worry. You shouldn't panic because most items are usually available at your travel destination. From toiletries to clothing, you can always purchase what you need once you arrive. Remember, if you forget something, you can always buy it at your destination. Seventh step, work while traveling. This is a step worth considering if you're someone who loves exploring new places but is also concerned about your finances. The beauty of this step lies in the flexibility it offers. It gives you the opportunity to generate income while still satisfying your wanderlust. Many people have successfully funded their travels this way, and you can be one of them. There are several job options available. Seasonal jobs are a popular choice. They provide the opportunity to work in different parts of the world during different times of the year. Think about working at a ski resort in winter, or at a beach resort during the summer months. Teaching English is another viable option. It is in high demand in several parts of the world, and if you're a native English speaker, it could be a perfect choice for you. There are many institutions and programs that are willing to train you and help you find a job. And then there's remote work. The rise of digital nomadism has made it possible for people to work from anywhere in the world. If you have a job that can be done online, why not do it while you're exploring the world? These possibilities, if utilized well, can help fund your travels while you're on the road. To wrap things up, budget travel isn't about deprivation, it's about smart choices. It involves methodical and detail-oriented preparation, adjusting travel details to fit your budget without compromising on experiences. Economical lodgings are a key aspect, and they come in various types: hostels, guest houses, budget hotels, or even homestays. Embracing local cuisine not only enriches your cultural experience but also aids in reducing costs. Sightseeing doesn't always have to be expensive. Numerous cities offer free or inexpensive attractions. Traveling light saves on luggage fees and gives you flexibility. Additionally, picking up casual work during your journey can contribute to your travel fund and considering work while traveling. So, next time someone tells you budget travel is like a sandwich without the filling, tell them you're having a gourmet sandwich on a budget. They might be confused, surprised, or even intrigued. Explain to them it's about being smart, not thrifty. It's about making choices, prioritizing experiences over luxuries, adventures over convenience. It's about understanding that the essence of travel lies not in the grandeur of the hotel, but in the beauty of the sunrise over foreign lands. It's about meeting new people, tasting local cuisines, and capturing moments, not just photographs. Budget travel is about learning to value experiences over materialistic luxuries. It's about relishing that gourmet sandwich, but on a budget. And remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. But with these steps, you're about to read the whole library. Happy travels. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this, bringing you tips, tricks, and hacks to make your travel dreams a reality. So hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Stay tuned for more travel tips. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep traveling. Happy travels!